Hi guys. So right now I'm in my car just waiting. I'm about to go to Sprouts, which is like a grocery store. I don't know if they're everywhere, but I'm having a Friendsgiving on Saturday, so I think this is going to be the start of it. Today is Thursday. So right now I'm just going to the grocery store to get my turkey. So I'm picking up my turkey and some other ingredients. I'm not going to vlog like in the store on my camera. Maybe I'll vlog with my phone, but I don't want to bring like my whole tripod into Sprouts because it's just like big and I have to carry a turkey. But I will definitely let you guys know when I come back to the car and show you my turkey when I get home and stuff. And then I will continue this video on Saturday when I make all the food with my mom and when my friends come and all that fun stuff. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. This is gonna be really fun. I can tell this is gonna be really fun. I'm really excited to do this with my friends. And yeah, just keep on watching. Oh my god, that was maybe the most stressful grocery trip of my life. Oh my god, these ladies are laughing at me next to me. Oh my god, now I'm embarrassed. This shopping trip was terrifying. They literally looked at me and laughed at me when I got my camera. But whatever. Anyways, I got chocolate pretzels to reward myself for that god-awful trip. That was really hard. But I got my turkey. I'm gonna go home. Okay, so I just got back home and I put my turkey away in the fridge. I got some stuffing. We just got the herb seasoned stuffing. They had like rosemary and stuff and then like cornbread and sourdough. But we just wanted the normal herb one. We got some canned pumpkin for the pumpkin pie that my mom wants to make. So we got 4 bags of the stuffing and then we got some maple syrup. I think this is for the pumpkin pie too. Honestly, I don't really know why she had me pick this up, but I got some maple syrup. This plus the turkey and some vegetables for the stuffing took a long time and I was having a little bit of a mental breakdown in Sprouts. Okay, so it's still the same day as when I went to the grocery store, just like 9-ish at night. I'm packing right now because I'm going to Marissa's house for the night so we can do school together. It's fun because we're online, so like we just sit in separate rooms and then like see each other during break and like, hey, and then go back to class. But I wanted to show you guys these masks. I bought these actually at Sprouts, the grocery store. They're super cute. I love this pattern. And then this one, this pattern is super cute if you're wearing like a white outfit. And then this one is just pink. But they fit so nicely. They kind of smell bad, so I definitely have to wash them. But look at how cute they are. And they're protective because they go all the way down. And they go up to your nose. I love them. They're actually like super cute. They were like $12 for the 3-pack, I think. But they're really cute, honestly. COVID friendly. This one is my favorite, actually. You just have to wear the right outfit with it. But I think they're super cute. I was really excited about them and I really wanted to show you guys because they're cute and I really like them. So yeah, so right now I'm packing to go to Marissa's. So that's it for today. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, wipe it off me.
No, she sent me by myself.
That's probably the problem.
Mom? Yeah. Where in the world are your sauteing pans? Downstairs? Alexa, tell Delta to dispense 4 cups of water.
Okay, dispensing 4 cups.
I have to touch that? I'm gonna get a haircut.
And he didn't know I was on the other side of the thing. I was trying to get some shit done. Wow.
Not a...
Okay, rinse it. Your mom wants me to make the gravy, but I'm not going to be here enough time because it's got, the birds got it. I got to touch all the crap from the birds.
Ew. Is this the ball sack? It looks like a ball sack. Look at it.
You know what that looks like anyway, Lola.
Look at it. Well, I mean, what would you think this is? Look at it.
A kidney.
I don't know about no kidney, but there's gizzard all over my fingers.
Yeah, just keep moving it around. Puts her out there.
It's in the front though?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
You told me to hold
Just
it.
press it.
Oh, you told me I was hoping. Do I have to keep it on all the time? Make sure you got it first.
We can order it from a restaurant when I have kids. Fuck that. I almost took that thing off.
Oh no, you don't. You only take it out when you deep fry.
Well, I didn't know. I thought they left it on there or something.
She almost pulled it out. It was that hard cap, so we gotta foil it.
Cold, twisted around her finger, she's a sight to see. See, Jane, why you staring out the window? Oh, with the red eyes, tell me his name has got you tangled up. Jane, she's a lover like a pipe bomb. She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels, gonna walk it out. Now, Jane, what you doing in the backseat? I always thought you were a front seat Cadillac, burning up the town with us. She said you're feeling alright, 'cause you look like hell. Think I'm
We just to the table. There's only 4 of us. And that's where we're gonna have all the food on like a little buffet thing. And the turkey's in the oven right now. We're putting ice in there. We're putting Martinelli in.
easy when everybody talks so carefully. And you're my melatonin daydream. Pretend you don't, but you know, you know, you know, you know.
Okay, so I'm just doing my makeup now. I have 15 minutes before my friends are gonna be here.
What you really can do. And if you could, you wouldn't want to. Oh, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Now, Jane, where the hell did all your friends go? They got a job in the city and a kid you used to be so close. Jane, do you remember what you told me when we were standing in the bathroom midnight? Baby, we were so messed up. She said, well, you can be mine. I wouldn't mind being yours. I wouldn't take up your time. I could sleep on the floor. It's just so easy when everybody talks so carefully. And well, you're my melatonin daydream. Pretend you don't, but you know, you know, you know, you know that they all want you. There's nothing else you really can do. And if you could, you wouldn't want to. Oh, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
This is the final makeup look. I'm gonna put some gold jewelry on. I'm wearing this yellow sweater and just some jeans with my Lacoste. This is the fit. This is my Lacoste, this yellow sweater. My hair is straight from my Brazilian. Saw my earrings. from Misguided. This necklace is from Forever. And just some light makeup. Oh? No, Mia doesn't want any.
Oh.
Carry up. Don't worry, guys. You can start eating.
Okay.
Not the way you're holding it right now. Clink. Yay.
Oh.
She got it. She got it. It's a turkey. It's okay. I'm look at it. I'm look at it. Come here. Come here. She said. Hi. Oh, I got it. Is that better?
Because you had turkey in her eye.
Kendall dangled the turkey over her face and it landed in her eye.
Oh, sheesh! It's like up here. And here we've got some wheat. Got on the shoes today. We've got these basic white bitch things. A basic white bitch pants. Nice silky top, no necklace. And
I can't take
some girls. The host of the party. The maker of the channel. The icon herself. Wow. Let's see, what do we got on? We got the... Oh, okay. We got some reptile shoes on. And the classic yellow shirt from that Instagram post or whatever.
No!
Yeah. And what do we got on? Necklace.
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. And the Christmas tree, obviously.
Wait. Oh! Is the number counting? Then it's recording.
How do I turn it off?
Oh,
On the back button, on the record button.
no, just press the record button.
This one?
Yeah.